So we're going to work on solving this equation using the process of elimination. So the first thing we do is we simplify everything by dividing by 3, and we get 2x minus y is equal to 4. Then we have to notice that we can't do anything with that. But we do have positive 2y and minus y in our two equations. So we multiply by 2, we get 4x minus 2y equals 4. And now we have a plus 2y in one equation and a minus 2y in the other. So there's our minus 2 and our plus 2. The plus and the minus will eliminate each other. So let's go ahead and stack and add the equations. So we just rewrite our equation down. 4x minus 2y is equal to 8, and we add the equations. 2x plus 4x is 6x. The 2y and the negative 2y cancel, and then equals 5 plus 8 is 13. So now we have to divide by 6. 13 divided by 6 is 13 over 6, and we'll leave it as a fraction. There's no need to simplify it for this problem. So now we deal with the second equation. 2x plus 2y equals 5, and we plug in our x value. So plugging in that x value, you can see that we're getting our value here, 2 times 13 over 6 plus 2y, gives us 13 over 3 plus 2y equals 5. We can subtract 13 over 3 from both sides, which is going to require us to convert 5. So right here, here's where we need to stop and think about converting 5. 5 over 3, or 5 in terms of thirds, would be 15 thirds. So we're going to rewrite this as 15 thirds minus 13 thirds, which is going to give us 2 thirds. So 2y equals 2 thirds. And that's going to be it for the fraction there. Then we divide. Dividing is the same as multiplying by a fraction. So we multiply by 1/2. And our end result is that y equals 2 over 6, which simplifies to 1/3. We could have used canceling there, we chose not to. So we have our x value, 13 over 6, and we have our y value, 1/3. We put those together into an ordered pair, and that's going to be our answer, 13 over 6 and 1/3.